Close your eyes and imagine a world where tranquility and wellness are just a breath away. Welcome to our sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Elevate your yoga experience with our premium yoga clothing. Crafted from the finest materials, our attire provides the perfect balance of comfort and style, allowing you to move with grace and confidence. Unlock a deeper connection with our community through our Patreon. Gain exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, bikini hauls, and Patreon-exclusive massage videos. Together, we'll take your practice to new heights. But what if you could carry your sanctuary with you wherever you go? Introducing our mobile app. Access a wealth of yoga classes, guided meditations, massage collections, and self-care techniques right at your fingertips. Create your own oasis of peace, anytime, anywhere. Whether it's finding your perfect yoga attire, connecting deeper through our Patreon, or having your sanctuary in the palm of your hand with our mobile app, we have everything you need to enhance your wellness journey. Visit us at zoso.shop. Join our Patreon or download our app to embark on a path of tranquility and self-discovery. Your journey awaits. Namaste. Hi PsycheTruth fam, my name is Sina and welcome to today's full body stretching class. This class is going to help your muscles recover after doing any of our stretch and cardio workouts from our Yogalates series. So when you're ready, grab your water bottles, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this class with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. We're going to go ahead and get started just standing in the middle of our mat. Our feet are planted on our mat strongly. Our core is engaged. Our chest is lifted. Our shoulders are rolled up and back. And we are putting a warm smile on our face because today's class is about letting go and relaxing. So take a deep breath in with me as you send your arms high to the sky. Grab a prayer of love and bring this love directly into your heart. Take another deep breath in, allowing that love to sink into your heart. Excellent job. One more time. Inhale, sending your arms high to the sky, grabbing a prayer of devotion and setting this devotion into our hearts, allowing this devotion to sink. One last time. Inhale, sending those arms high to the sky, grabbing a prayer that allows us to service ourselves and the world, and bringing this prayer of service into our hearts, allowing this service to sink. Putting a warm smile on your face, softening our gaze, and then opening our eyes. Excellent job. So from this standing position, go ahead and drop your arms by your side and just open your feet wide. We're going to come into a wide-legged forward fold. So option 1 can be to bring your hands to your hips, or option 2, you just can leave them hanging by your side, relaxed, maybe hanging from side to side, whatever is most comfortable for you. If you're moving with me, your hands are on your hips. We're going to take a deep breath in as we lengthen our spine from our core. And on our exhale, with a straight back, we're going to dive our upper body forward into this figure 7. Take a deep breath in as we lengthen from our crown of our head forward. And on our exhale, we're going to slowly bring this crown of our head towards our mat. And we're going to allow our body to hang heavy right here for 3 deep breaths. We're just stretching and recovering the muscles in our body. Two more breaths right here. Notice how your hamstrings are feeling right now. Notice the stretch from your glutes all the way to your heels. If you feel like you want a further stretch, go ahead and bring your palms of your hands to your mat and then walk them behind your legs as much as possible, trying to send that crown of your head further towards your mat. And breathe right here for one more deep breath.
Excellent job. Now allow your hands to walk towards your left foot, grabbing a hold of your foot. If this variation is not accessible to you, grab whatever is most accessible. So that can be your calf or your shin or even your thigh. Whatever it is, simply hold on to it and take a deep breath in as you lengthen forward. And on your exhale, allow your body to sink down towards your mat. We're here for 3 deep breaths at your own pace. So once again, as you breathe in, you allow your body to lengthen, and as you breathe out, you settle into this moment, allowing your body to melt down towards your mat. One more breath right here. Excellent job. Walk your hands back to the middle of your mat. And we're going to come back into this wide-legged forward fold for 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Maybe if you want to deepen your stretch, you walk your hands behind you. As you take a deep breath in, you lengthen. And as you take a deep breath out, you allow your body to melt towards your mat. Continue breathing. Start observing whether your body is more tight or loose right now than it was at the beginning of class. Take one last breath right here. Exhale, let everything go. Wonderful job. Now start moving your hands to grab a hold of your right foot. Once again, if this isn't accessible to you, grab whatever is. As you take a deep breath in, you lengthen. And on your exhale, you melt towards your mat once more. We're here for 3 deep breaths. Bring this purpose of service into your presence right now. You're servicing your body. You're allowing your body to recover, and you're giving it what it needs so that you can be of service to others. Take one last deep breath right here in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time, coming back into this wide-legged forward fold. Inhale as you lengthen forward, and on your exhale, you come back to the middle of your mat. Allow your body to hang heavy. If you want to deepen your stretch, go ahead and walk your hands behind your feet. Inhale as you lengthen, and on your exhale, you allow your body to melt towards your mat. One last breath. Bring your hands back to the middle of your mat, and we're going to slowly make our way back up. So our body has drained the blood in a different... Oh, can I repeat that? Our body has drained our blood, now coming from our head down towards our hips. So we're going to make our way up slowly so we don't get dizzy. So bring your hands towards your hips, and we're going to first come back into that figure 7. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. On your next inhale, coming all the way up to standing. Inhale through your nose. Out through your mouth. Excellent job. And then just coming all the way in, bringing your feet parallel next to each other. Excellent job. Inhale, send your arms high to the sky. Exhale, cross your left foot behind your right, grabbing a hold of your left wrist as you pull it up and over, feeling this side lateral stretch. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Give me 2 more breaths right here. As you inhale, you lengthen to the opposite corner of the room. And as you exhale, you allow your stretch to deepen. One more breath. Excellent job. Coming back into the middle of your mat. Inhale, sending both arms high. Exhale, grabbing a hold of your right wrist with your left hand and crossing your right foot behind your left. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you bend over. Feeling that stretch on your lats. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you bend. If you want to deepen your stretch, pull your wrist further away from your hip. Yeah, there we go. Inhale, coming back to center. And exhale, allow your arms to come back into neutral. Rolling your shoulders up and down. Excellent job. We're going to go ahead and come to the top of our mat. Inhale, your arms are going to come high to the sky. And on your exhale, we're going to step our left foot to the back of us, coming into a warrior one. Inhale, lengthening high. Exhale, dropping both of your hands to your mat, turning that left leg in, and then coming onto our knee. Move your left leg slightly back, coming into this runner's lunge position. Inhale as you lengthen forward. Exhale, we're going to bring the right hand to the inside of our right foot. We're just going to circle our left arm up and back. Come with me for 3 or 2. Last one. Excellent job. Bring it back in. Inhale, lifting our hips high to the sky, coming into this pyramid pose. Exhale, back into that runner's lunge. We're going to do this transition 3 times. Come with me. Inhale into that pyramid. Exhale, runner's lunge. Really notice how your hips are opening here. Inhale into that pyramid. Trying to send that back heel down. Exhale, runner's lunge. One last one. Inhale into that pyramid. Exhale, runner's lunge. Fabulous job. Now walk your back foot a little bit in. Inhale, come back into that pyramid. And I want for you to flex that front foot up. Oh yeah, that's the trick. This is what's gonna stretch our leg all the way down from our calf to our hamstring. Feel that stretch. Feel that burn for 3 deep breaths. You guys are doing amazing. Keep it up. One last breath. Plant that foot back on your mat. Plant that back foot to this 45-degree angle. Coming back to that warrior one. Inhale, lengthen all the way up. And on your exhale, step that left to meet your right. We're going to repeat this sequence on our right leg now. Inhale, hands come all the way up. Exhale, slowly stepping that right leg back to a 45-degree angle. Coming into a warrior one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring both of your hands back down. Turn that right leg in, coming into this runner's lunge. Stay right here for your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let everything go. Inhale, bring that right arm high to the sky as we circle. Come with me for 3 or 2 or 1. Excellent job. Back to that runner's lunge. Inhale, coming into that pyramid, sending that right heel back. Exhale, back onto your runner's lunge. We're going to do the sequence 3 more times. Come with me. Twice more. Inhale into that pyramid. Exhale, back down. One last time. Excellent job. So walk that back foot slightly in, come back into that pyramid, and flex that left foot high to the sky. Take 3 deep breaths. If your fingertips are getting tired, come to the palms of your hands. As you breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Really try to square those hips to deepen that stretch. Give me 2 more breaths. Last one. Excellent job. Plant that front foot on your mat. Come back into that warrior one. And then step that right foot to meet your left. And release both arms, rolling your shoulders up and back. We're gonna go ahead and come back into this wide-legged stance. We're gonna open those feet to the side. Inhale, bringing your arms high to the sky. And on your exhale, we're gonna come down into this Malasana squat. We're just gonna hang in here for 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Grabbing a prayer of love and bringing it towards our hearts. Allowing this love to sink into your heart as we end this class. Coming all the way up. Grabbing a prayer of devotion and bringing it towards your heart. Allowing this devotion to your practice to sink into your heart. Inhale, grabbing a prayer of service towards ourselves so that we can be of service towards the world. And allow this service to sink into your heart. Come all the way up. Walk those feet in. Lengthen high to the sky. Bring your hands towards your heart, placing one hand on your heart, the other over your other hand, and closing your eyes. Noticing the difference in your body. Noticing how your muscles are recovering. And bringing so much gratitude for yourself for showing up today. And for giving yourself so much love, devotion, and service. The light in me honors and respects the light in you. Slowly opening your eyes. Namaste. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram account at Sina Karime for further movement and mindfulness content. Thank you so much for joining me in today's stretching class. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further movement classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.